In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable hardware acceleration in Chrome quickly and easily. This is a simple setting that can help improve browser performance, fix video playback issues, and sometimes solve graphics-related problems in Chrome. If your browser feels a little laggy, or if certain websites and videos aren't behaving properly, this setting is definitely worth checking. And before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, whichever is easiest for you. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This is the main menu where you can access Chrome settings and tools. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. This will open the Chrome settings page where you can customize how the browser works. On the left-hand side, or sometimes in the main settings area depending on your version of Chrome, scroll until you find System. Click on System to open the system-related options. Now you're in the right place. Here, look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. This is the hardware acceleration setting in Chrome. If you want to enable hardware acceleration, turn this toggle on. If you want to disable it, simply switch it off. Turning it on allows Chrome to use your device's graphics hardware to help with performance. Turning it off can sometimes fix issues like black screens, stuttering video, crashes, or display glitches. If you're not sure which option is better, here's a quick tip. Leave it on if Chrome is working well and you want better performance. Turn it off if you're experiencing problems with websites, streaming video, or graphics rendering. It's one of those settings that can make a big difference depending on your computer and browser behavior. After you change the setting, Chrome will usually ask you to relaunch the browser. Click Relaunch to restart Chrome and apply the change. This step is important because the new hardware acceleration setting won't take effect until Chrome restarts. Make sure you save any work in open tabs before you relaunch. Once Chrome opens again, the change will be active. That's it. You've now successfully enabled or disabled hardware acceleration in Chrome. It only takes a few clicks, but it can really help improve your browsing experience or fix performance problems. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials like this one. And if you want, check out our other Chrome tips and browser settings guides next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.